Hello everyone, good day. Check out this 2020 Pacifica. I like this Pacifica. It is loaded with features. Has under 16,000 miles. Sorry about the background noise. Right now we do have some construction going on, so I am talking just a little bit louder than usual so you can hear me. It is certified to 100,000 miles. Overall, it is in really, really good condition. Here's your key fob. So this one is pretty loaded with features. You've got your power liftgate, your remote start, and then your power doors. We're just going to open it all up. It does have your stone colored interior leather. And then your cocoa accents. So outside of the remote start, this does have the heated first and second row. It also has the heated wheel. It does have your dual in-seat DVD players on both sides here. And then your HDMI hookups and your USB ports on each side as well. This is the bench, so it does seat more passengers. Go ahead and close up these doors here. I like just to be able to do that with a push of a button. Makes things nice and easy. So here's your back cargo space. And then keep in mind these seats will fold down flat. One of my favorite features in this van is going to be the adaptive cruise control. If you're not familiar with what adaptive cruise control is, it's actually really cool. If you're on the highway and you've got your cruise control set, you're cruising along at 70, but the person in front of you starts to slow down, this van is actually going to recognize that that person slowed down, and it's automatically going to adjust the speed for you. So it was a company unit, and it's got 15,443 miles. It also has navigation. Let me know if you have questions or if you'd be interested in setting up a time to check it out. My direct line is 563-202-8845. Again, that is me, Alicia, 563-202-8845. Thanks.